that. And then I wanted to also just mention that, and I make this announcement every few months, just that all the stuff on the back shelves there is always free. You can take as much as you want as long as it's free to a good home. You know, don't go home and wallpaper your living room and DVDs or anything. But if you're going to actually give it out to people, you know, we want you to take that stuff. We don't charge for it. There's no donation for it. You just take it. You just look both ways. You just grab it and just take it. And also back there, besides just DVDs and preaching CDs, there's also a bunch of flash drives back there. So I just wanted to explain something about these flash drives, is that a lot of these are just audio preaching. Typically, if they don't say otherwise, they're just MP3s, and they're designed to play like in a car stereo. But you can plug these things into computers, you can plug them into DVD players, you can plug them into even video game consoles. People are telling me, PlayStation 4. You know, I've never even set eyes on a PlayStation 4. I don't know what that is. But they said that it takes this and they can listen to preaching or watch preaching on a PlayStation 4. Is that true? Can somebody verify that? Does anybody know what they're talking about? It's the truth. Yeah, lots of heads are nodding. Okay, so like I said, if they don't say otherwise, they're audio. And it's constantly changing what's back there on the shelf. Every few weeks, it's different flash drives that are back there. Collect them all, you know. Hoard them. No, don't hoard them. Give them to people. So the ones that say that they're a video, okay, these things, a lot of people don't realize how versatile these things are. The ones that say that they're a movie or a video, virtually every television set now, you can just plug this in the back of the television and it works, and it plays videos. You can be in a hotel room, you're traveling, you can plug in that video USB and it plays. It's easy. You just go to the input on your remote and set it to USB, and then boom, all the files will come up. It's really cool. We tested it in a whole bunch of, we went to Fry's Electronics and tested it in TVs. And you know, whenever I'm at somebody's house and see that they have a TV, I'm like, you know, hey, let's try it, you know. I'm pulling them out and testing it, and it always works. So these things are really cool. And also, if you're out soul winning, you can have a couple of these in your pocket, and if you win somebody to the Lord, you know, be sure to give them a Bible. All the Bibles back there are free. You can give them a Bible, and you can set them up with one of these flash drives if you win them to Christ. Or if you run into somebody that's already saved and they seem really friendly and they seem like they're a kindred spirit, slip them a USB drive as well. So anyway, this stuff is back there. Don't be shy about taking it. There's more where that came from. It's not just what you see on the shelves. We have just hordes and stockpiles of stuff. But don't take it home and just collect it. You know, we want to get this out and give it to people. So anyway, I just wanted to point out that stuff back there. Sometimes people try to pay us for that stuff. If there's a guy back there taking your money for that stuff, we didn't authorize that guy, all right?